And Mr. A.K. Mishra into this conversation.
Good morning, ma'am, to you as well as your all of your viewers. Of course, this is very strategic topic because of, as I do remember, in the age of early 1990s, there were the boom, especially in engineering college, a new discipline, computer science has been emerged, or you can say the learning of basic MS Office, DOS, all these things. At that time, this was totally new. You can say the segment. Especially for India and youngster of Indian student. So we have observed in the past that several kind of the institute for teaching the computer as well as the MS Office, DOS has been emerged, likewise Uptake and IIIT, all these things. As well as in very much similar manner, every student was running for opting the, you can say the subject computer science, telecom, networking, all these were the new segment of, you can say, the new subject introduced to the Indian students. And India, not only for Indian market, Indian student, Indian professionals served across the world. You go to the Silicon Valley in USA, you will find so many Indian are working there as a CEO, and on top you can say the software development. So what is the benefit for India? Why all the global talent, global leader, they are very much attractive, they are coming to join this AI session here in India? Because of they know there are certain only the development of technology, it is not sufficient. A market, it is required. A talent pool, it is required. It may be intellectual, white collar worker, pink collar worker, or blue collar worker. India in itself, it is a complete system for any newly introduced technology, whether it was telecom, whether it is the computer science. And of course, we are having a very good type of the talent pool. India, it is some such kind of the place where we can manufacture as well as the indigenous capacity, or you can say the potential, market potential to consume all those services or product, it is available. This is the unique feature for America, for USA, and so many other countries. They can develop the technology, but for market, definitely they have to search a different market outside the America or outside their country. These are some such kind of the feature. For example, introduction of AI technology to the world community, to the world population, it will require a market as well as the talent pool. India, it is having a talent pool. So many colleges, so many institutions are there. New students. We will, in coming future, we will see that so many branches just to teach the AI technology in top reputed institute, as well as the common institute engineering college, they are opening a separate branch, and students are rushing. Likewise, early in 1990s, students were rushing for the computer science and other subjects, you can say telecom, all these were the newly launched subject. Same the situation is going to be witnessed by the India as well as the Indian institute as well as the Indian consumers. Second important thing, the introduction of AI, it will change the entire history as well as the lifestyle of human civilization. The use of AI product, you can say it may be the robot or any other, you can home servant, so many other car driving. In each and every field, you will find there will be
All
the
right, sir.
penetration or introduction of
Sir,
AI technology.
I would kindly request you to please bring in Mr. A.K. Mishra, senior journalist, back into this conversation. Sir, now the Brazilian president is in India, of course, to hold talks, and one of the key focuses will again be artificial intelligence. So, what can be expected out of this meeting between Lula as well as India, and further for perhaps, let's say, India-Brazil ties?
Well as the India, these two countries are also the member of BRICS and having a very good business as well as the strategic as well as the economic relationship. I think for global South countries, not only for global South countries, we should analyze this topic on global level. India is going to play the next level of, you can say, the role for this industrial type of the revolution, AI. Likewise, in 17th century industrial revolution, the Europe and other countries, they were the hub for that revolution. This time India is going to play a major role for some such kind of the revolution. The reason behind that, why all the top leaders, AI top leaders, companies, CEOs, they are approaching to India, because of they know whatever they require, whether it is talent pool, raw material, everything, it is available. If it is available, as well as the market growth rate, that is 30 to 40% market growth rate, it has been predicted, it is available only in India. The second important thing, what is the more and more strategic factor, this time India has shifted its business dynamics. For example, before to that, what we were doing, we were just importing, you can say, the product or services, and we were consuming that. But the focus of government, the main purpose for organizing some such kind of the summit, as well as bringing all the top leaders in India on Indian platform, that India has put its message in a very much clear cut manner, that not only we are a consuming country, we are going to put up ourselves as a manufacturer. For example, if any country wants to participate in Indian AI industry, they have to develop each and every kind of the facility, whether it is development of hardware, development of software. If government is you can say the supporting to the global giant, as well as we are having the market in terms of state government as well as the domestic mass population. So this is this summit is showing that there is a strategic shift in business policy, global business policy of Indian government as well as the Indian population. This is very notable point to us, that in future India is going to play as a manufacturer as well as a consumer also. We are going to produce ourselves, to put ourselves as a manufacturer for AI technology. Why it will be? No wonder if India is going to emerge as a supplier for the AI technology, different kind of the products and component. So this will be very excellent opportunity for generating new type of the job, new innovations, new technology, new factories for hardware manufacturing, where India is posing right now. So this is a very critical type of the situation, very much revolutionary type of the step of the government of India as well as the other stakeholders, likewise all state, especially Maharashtra and all these industrially developed type of the, you can say, the state, they are the key player. They will become the future key player for the adopting as well as the uses of AI technology. So I think with the help of this AI
Yes, sir.
summit, India is posing that they are the global player. They
Yes,
are the player of future for this.